Have you ever noticed how brave we feel when we start reading the Bible? Everything is going great. Then we hit the names Mahershalalhashbaz, Hazelelponi, Jushab Hesed. At some point, you're not reading anymore. You're just making sounds and hoping nobody asks you to read out loud. Especially if you're in a Bible study. Everybody suddenly starts looking at the floor because nobody wants to be chosen. And eventually you reach a point where you're tempted to say, "Okay, y'all, let's just call him Bob." But here's the surprising part. The names aren't the boring part. The names are the story. Almost every biblical name means something. Some reveal character, some reveal purpose, some reveal destiny. Some tell you exactly what God was doing in that generation. In other words, God didn't just put those names there to frustrate us. He put them there to invite us to dig deeper. The funny thing is, we spend so much time worrying about how to pronounce the names that we never stop to ask why they're there. Behind every strange name is a person. Behind every person is a story. And behind every story is God. So the next time you run into one of those impossible names, don't just struggle through the pronunciation. Dig deeper. Because what looks like the most boring part of the chapter may actually be the most fascinating. And if you think these names are weird, wait until you hear what Methuselah's name meant.